And I gotta finish this cigar box guitar. Let's go check it out. This Pinolero cigar box guitar, I glued a traditional type bridge on it like an acoustic guitar. I shaped it out of rosewood. And we're drilling some holes in it for the string grommets. They're just little rivets. And that gives it a nice look. And then this will also keep the strings from pulling through from the other side. So we just pop these in and hit it with a little super glue after. Throw a little piece of tape on it to hold it down while it dries, and work on the other side. Now we're putting in some sound holes. I use these little like tarp grommets that are brass colored, and they make great little sound holes for cigar box guitars. And do the same thing, a little super glue, and just cinch them down with clamps for a little while you work on the other stuff. And I have this template from a cigar box guitar making book. I kind of styled the headstock in my own way, but the spacing and the size is from the book. I'll put a link in the description. It's the Handmade Music Factory. And I throw a piece of tape on the back of the headstock so when I drill the holes, the wood doesn't splinter out. And just put some junk wood to back it up with while you drill them out. And just drill a bunch of holes big enough to fit the tuners, and there we go. But you gotta put them in there, wrench them on, this little 10mm wrench, and snug it down. And you pop the screw in the back too to hold it from spinning. Now this piece of oak is from the backyard, a tree trimming branch. And I made some slices on the bandsaw, and it's been drying for a couple of years. And it makes great nut and bridge material. It's very hard, and I just shape it. You know, it was a hot day, so I stayed inside with the air conditioning on and just did it all with hand tools. And you just get it fit. We're gonna do super high action, like on a square neck dobro. The action is about 3/8 inch high. So I rounded the back just like a regular bridge nut or a regular neck nut. And get it close and repeat for the saddle part. Just make sure it's tall enough so that I get that 3/8 action. And it actually turned out to be more of a closer to a quarter inch, just above quarter inch.
Quarter and 3/8 high, like a square neck dobro. Really high action for slide. We're gonna get it in the ballpark with the pitch pipe. I like the slide action. And we'll put a pickup on it. And then we'll crank it. I have this pickup I found online. I may not be able to find the exact one again, but something similar, and I'll put a link in the description. It's got a Piezo disc, 1/4 inch jack, and a volume knob already attached. And it comes with a classic knob and the nuts to hold it on. What I do before I get it going is I'm going to tape this thing inside and test it before I drill a bunch of holes in it. Okay, so we taped the piezo underneath. And now we got some sound. And we got some feedback. Okay, it works. So now we drill and install. Okay, let that glue dry. Installing a little latch on it. These latches we get from the art supply, you know, for like jewelry boxes and that kind of thing. Because it'll flap open because the neck is heavy. We're going to switch them out to this acoustic set that has a 12. So we got 12, 16, 24, and 32. Making a little label on a piece of veneer that we have left over from another project. Stella always likes to make sure I put the model number and the label inside. One, two, three. So this is D, G, A, D. So this has a really nice voice to it for some more melodic, not as raunchy blues. And to catch more videos from the Angry Mushroom, just click on one of these tiles. This next one is installing a Fishman preamp on a cigar box ukulele. And, you know, hit subscribe, like, ring the bell, whatever it is that they keep telling me to tell you to do. And I appreciate it. And we'll talk next time.